biogas system, let's start listen. Study, especially those architecture students who are studying about architecture. This is your chance to have additional knowledge as what you have learned in the school. How to design a biogas to be used for your electricity and for your cooking. Okay, then the other pipes, there will be T pipe, right? One is going to the kitchen, the other one is going to your house. This is a cycle. Okay, from the cycle, from the house, go to your uh, water tank. Then water tank goes to gas. Then to your gas, it will go back again to your house. As what? Electricity. Okay, this is a cycle, like a life cycle or the water cycle. It is just rotating. Okay, it's just only a rotations or cycle of wastage. I remember last time I discussed that from wastage of different materials to the dumping area, then you have to regrind it and produce hollow blocks, another byproduct, right? The same thing as this. There is another byproduct from your toilet, goes to the gas digester, and then from gas digester, it will give you cooking gas, and or you can produce electricity to serve again the house. Okay, so no more LIECO, no more no more government electricity already. You have free at home. Actually, you are free. So this is very advantageous to re- recycle your septic tank into different usage, cooking and for your electricity. Okay, so now I will show to you how does it looks like the biogas diagrams, biogas digester. Okay, show you to here. Look at, listen to this one, huh? Okay, remember that? I make it clearer. Okay. Okay. As I said, you can see the arrow, right? The white arrow. Then the camera is moving. Okay. This one is the existing septic vault. Okay. From your toilet. As I have told you last time. This is the septic vault composed of digestive chamber and leaching chamber. So from here, from digestive chamber, it will deliver all the waste material into the soil, right? Okay, so this one is no need to go to the soil. We have to use this as for different purposes. Okay, different purposes. So instead of going to the soil as a wastage, we have to use this as usage for the kitchen and electricity. So from the leaching, you have to provide a pipe connecting to your biofuel digester. Okay, or biofuel digester tank or septic vault, meaning what you call it gas septic vault. Okay, and what is inside the septic vault? I mean gas digester. As I said, inside there is a layer of materials. First layer is you have to provide flooring inside your tank. After the flooring, you have to put soil. What kind of soil? It is a black soil. Okay? It is a black soil because this black soil that will also prevent from any bacteria. Okay? Soil will absorb bacteria. So you have to put soil just to level up inside the flooring. Okay? Above the flooring of your biofuel register tank. About 4 inches away from the floor. So you have to level it evenly above the floor, about 4 inches. Okay, about 4 inches, this is the soil. Okay, so after the soil, then you have to fill it up with what they call cocoa fiber. Cocoa fiber, right? It is just like coconut husk, right? You know the coconut husk. You can buy it in other store. You can buy anywhere, or you can have your own. You just pulverize that coconut husk and to provide into fiber. But no need to waste your time. You just buy ready-used cocoa fiber in the store. So you can buy maybe as much as you can. You just try to buy approximately, it can cover the whole water tank, which is about 1 meter by 2 meters. Okay? So remember, first layer is a soil. Next one is the fiber, cocoa fiber. One layer. So second layer, cocoa fiber. Then the third is what? It is the black plastic. You know the waste bin plastic used for waste, no? To gather all your waste from the kitchen, throw away to the rubbish bin, right? That's a black plastic. You can use that. You cut it properly and like a cover. So you have to cover you have to cover the cocoa fiber. So your third layer is the plastic, the black plastic or any kind of plastic. Okay? And I think the most applicable is the black plastic for rubbish bin. You know, for rubbish bin, you have to cut it properly and cover it the whole area above the cocoa fiber. Okay? Then, fourth layer. On top of the cocoa fiber, you have to cover it with gravel or crushed stone. You know, crushed stone, or it is like gravel or pebbles. Okay, you have to about 1 inch diameter. You have to fill it up again above the plastic. So you can see already all the gravel on top of the surface. Approximately the whole thing. Okay, that is what is inside the biofuel. Then after that, you have to drill a hole. Okay, drill a hole going to the biogas tank. Okay, so you have to drill a hole just exactly a size of water pipes. Okay, a water pipe may be about 4 inches diameter, or you can use 3 inches diameter. It's a water pipe connecting to your here the biogas tank. Okay, so from biogas tank, there is also another parts there inside. Okay, what you can see in the biogas tank, you have to provide a ventilation. Okay, you have to drill a hole one of the side of this tank as your ventilator. What is the use of this ventilator? Here you can see here, this ventilator is used for deliver those exist water inside your biogas tank. So those exist that will go beyond the certain level, it will be overflowed outside. So that is what they call outlet pipes or excess water outlet. Okay, excess water outlet. So this outlet here, you have to provide another container, of course lah, because if you will not provide a container below, you can be your floor will be flooded with water from your biogas tank. So you have to provide a container, maybe can or another container, or you can use this into your pill, or you can use directly into your sprinkler. So once the sprinklers fill with water, now you can use this for watering your plants. This is a very good fertilizer. Okay, the excess water coming from the biogas tank is a very good fertilizer. So it will help the plants grow vigorously, and then from the plants you can eat the vegetables. Okay, this is a cycle. Okay, the other outlet is you have to place the outlet on top of the biogas tank, which is this one here. So on top of the cover of your biogas tank, there is a cover, right? So there will be two outlets. One goes to your kitchen or goes to your house, okay? And then the other one is the meter regulator. This is the gas regulator, meaning you can see how many capacity, how much gas inside the biogas tank. You can see the reading there, maybe 20, 30, 40, meaning it depends on how big the volume of the gas that you have invited from the septic board. So what you can see here, because the minimum water here inside is about 6 liters only, 6 to 9 liters of water. It's already enough for you to provide a gas or methane for your cooking. Okay, but if you have a bigger container for your biogas tank, you have a lot of capacity of methane for your cooking and for your electricity. So how? So as I said, you have to provide an outlet pipe going to your kitchen and going to your house. Okay? Going to your house. But before going to your electricity, let's proceed first with the cooking system. So from your biogas tank, you have to provide the tank, right? Connecting to your kitchen, to your cooking stove. So from the cooking stove, there is what they call a bulb. You have to open the bulb in order that you can have the cooking gas. Okay? So when you close, meaning you have no more gas. For safety, after cooking, you have to close the bulb here. For the gas bulb here, you have to close so that there will be no wastage of gas. Okay? So another connections, this will go to your house. Okay? There is another bulb here from the T pipe, T junction, you have another bulb. This bulb is go to your house for electricity. Why do we provide bulb or gate bulb? To have safety. Okay, so that you can have you can maintain you can minimize the flow of gas from your biogas tank. So you have to provide as a safety safety bulb here. Okay, this is a gate bulb like the water. There is always a gate bulb in order to control the flow of gas from your biogas tank. So when you open here, you have to close this one, then connect this pipe to your generator. You know the generator, your existing generator, or for electricity or for what they call for irrigations. You have already that one hand, but not this one is driven by gasoline, petroleum, or crude oil. That will be delivered. But once your gas already connected, you have another connections from your gas tank. This pipe is connected into your gas engine. So from your natural ordinary engine or electricity engine or water pump engine, you can divert it into gas engine. So meaning, no need to use gasoline, petroleum, or diesel whatsoever, diesel to run this motor. But it can be run by your biogas. Okay, it can be run by methane or the gas from your gas tank, biogas tank. Okay, so how? Okay, since this gas is more or less of watery, this engine cannot run of a watery gaseous because gas is like something like gas, something like is composed of air and something like a moisture. It's a mixture of water. So the engine cannot run if there is a water moisture because this engine here, the electricity engine, the ordinary engine, is run by gas or gasoline. Okay, so it cannot start. So how to start this engine? Okay, there will be two purpose here. This engine is only used. This gasoline is only used to provide in order just to start the engine. Okay, you use this engine mainly the gasoline fuel just to start the engine. But once the engine starts, so you have to you have to open the gas pipe, the biogas pipe. So once you open the gas pipe, so this gas will feed, it will feed to the engine. So you can see that the engine runs and very smoky, right? Very smoky. So meaning if the engine runs smoky, so meaning the gas fuel, the biogas fuel is already absorbed by the engine. So once you can see the smoky movements of this engine, you can now close the gasoline fuel. You have to close the gasoline fuel or crude oil or gasoline, you have to close that valve. So once you close the gasoline valve, the gasoline fuel, you just leave open for your biogas fuel. So you can observe that once you close the gasoline fuel, the gas is already running. So it's running. So once it is running, now you have to close it permanently for your gasoline fuel. So you can see now it is already moving, right? Through the use of gas. Okay? So once the engine is already running by your biogas, that electricity line going to your house, you have to divert it to another outlet directly from the biogas pipe. So from biogas pipe, you have to connect or divert it to your electricity to go into house. No more what you call meter. No more meter on the wall. That is no more already, no use. Because you have the direct gas from the biogas tank. So no more reading, no more meter right on the wall. Because that is no uses already because you have no free electricity by your biogas. So you can utilize the electricity using this biogas system. So this is a very good advantage if you have the homemade electricity by using your biogas system. So very important. So you have by this system, you have already saved money for your electrical bill, okay? And your cooking instrument like gasoline or isolane or whatever, for cooking no more. This is already free from your septic board. So just imagine if you have this kind of systems at home, you save a lot of electricity and for cooking gas because you have already your natural gas biogas from your biogas tank, which is delivered from the septic board. So it's very important that if you have a septic board at home, you can easily divert that into your biogas for cooking and for your electricity. Okay? So, if you have a problem, if you need help, okay? Especially if you have the experience how to divert your septic board into cooking gas or cooking gas for your electricity, don't forget, call my attention. Call Global Genesis Design and I will help you how to construct your biogas system at home. Free. No more electricity bill, no more cooking gas tank you can buy in the store, silane or gas, what different types of gas in a tank. No need, that's all. Throw it away. Throw all those tank already, no more. That one is a wastage already, cannot be used anymore. You can recycle that again to another parts, like for example for your for your flower pots. So those tank you can resell it. You have to sell it again to the store. Put it back or return it to the back, and then you can withdraw or you can sell it, and you have to save the sales. Okay, so that is why. So that one is no more ready. Your engine, your previously gasoline engine, you have to buy gasoline from the gas station, right? No more ready, because this is already driven by your free gas from your septic tank. Okay, so if you don't know how to divert this, okay, don't forget, just call Global Genesis Design. Okay, or email to me at SG, or go to my Facebook. You can send messages there via email, via Facebook, or via Messenger, or even call me via telephone, landlines. My telephone number is 8407-3295. Or you can go to my website. Okay, I repeat, globalgenesisdesign.webs.com. If you can open my website, I have all the informations there. My company contact, my project, My constructions is already there, all over there. You can find, and you can contact me also by phone because all over there already. You can go to the what you call one, the company Global Genesis. You can find there already email address, website, telephone number, and my name, of course, my name, Maximo Azares Aurelio. So it's easier for you to contact me. If you have a problem about biogas, you just remember me, Global Genesis Design, and I will help you how to construct very cheaply. I will not charge you too high because this is free. So I have to give you also maybe some free discount because this one no more. Just imagine if you have the biogas system at home, you save a lot of money. Okay, no need to connect to the government electricity bill. You need to connect to the city power or the plant power because you have your own gasoline to run your engine for electricity and for cooking. So you save a lot, man. Believe me, if you have this kind of system, what we call biogas system from your septic bowl, it is easy for you. You have free cooking gas and free electricity. Okay? But don't throw your engine because we have to convert it from gasoline engine into biogas engine. We call it now biogas engine. Okay? Later on, we can discover this from biogas how to use your biogas to run your car. Okay? Because just imagine this biogas can run to your electricity engine. So maybe we can try to discover, maybe in my own discovery, I can help you how to use the biogas to run your car. Okay, okay, it's possible. Believe me or not, it is possible that your engine can be run by biogas. All you have to do is just buy a tank. You have to fill it with your biogas methane from your biogas tank, fill it into another tank, and then put it in the car compartment and connect it to the engine. It will start. Believe me or not, because if this motor of this gas can run an electricity motor, it is possible to run a car engine. Okay? It is possible, right? So thanks the Lord for our knowledge, because through science technology, it will add on our mental intellectual intelligence. Okay? So don't forget, next time we will discuss another topic about architectural designs. This is part of architectural designs anyway, because septic bowl is an architectural design. Then you have to create another biogas tank. It is also an architecture. Everything have design is derived from architectural matters. Okay? Okay. We have to end up here. So thanks for listening and watching my episode about biogas system at home using your septic bowl. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so because once you subscribe my episode, you can easily follow up my program. Okay, whatever program that I have, once you are already subscribed, it will just pop up. It will just pop up to your telephone, to your computer. So from there, you can easily watch my video for the next episode. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. See you.